traders, I'm looking at the dollar index. Want to get some clues as to where this could be heading. So we have this distribution range back in here. Coincides with this as well. So I'll just grab the point of control through here. All right, big level, big resistance. Trading right into it. This will be a quick video. So we have this low of this level here where this move originated, and then we have this low down in here. I'm inclined to look at this from a Fibonacci perspective. It's trading into serious resistance at the moment, honestly. All right, look, it could actually push up above here. It might look to hit the liquidity that would be resting above these highs, buy side liquidity as in buy stops that are sitting up in there. So that could be a thing. That could be a play for sure. So let's just do this and consider this a liquidity pool. Well, all through here, liquidity definitely here. DXY. All right. Okay, it's pushing up. I think it's going to really find a ceiling here somewhere. And then we have this swing point, okay, this current range, now trading up and into a premium. Wherever that lands, I'm thinking we see a pullback into equilibrium. So, I mean, look, this is not a trade idea insofar as, a sell. It could be a buy if this pulls back down into here and we see it rotate on the lower time frame. I'd be looking for something like that, daily time frame. Be careful with this at the moment, guys. It's pushing up with a vengeance. And as I said, it's trading into a big resistance level. I would expect a pullback at some stage fairly soon. All right, and that's might take on, and that will impact the other currencies, everything that's correlated with or inversely correlated with the US dollar. Right, so just be a little bit careful. Something like that could be a thing, and then you could look for dollar pair opportunities, but be staying out of this at the moment until we see this pullback. All right, guys, look, that's the DXY. What else can I say? I'd love you to comment. Please leave a comment below. That would be awesome. Share the love. And look, with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.